malo nenavadno je, da so pri Nissanu čakali tako dolgo z novim električnim avtomobilom, ko pa vemo, da je že pred več kot 12 leti na ceste zapeljal njihov povsem električni leaf. Če je bilo to takrat za leafa morda prezgodaj, pa zdaj za ariyo to zagotovo ni. Saj se v današnjih dneh skorajda dnevno pojavljajo novi avtomobili ali pa vsaj napovedi o njih. Temelj prihodnjih Nissanovih električnih modelov bo konstrukcijska platforma CMF EV. Na njej že stoji novi električni Megane, zdaj pa je Nissan nanjo postavil kupejevskega križanca ariyo. Platformo so Nissanovi inženirji poimenovali kar čarobna leteča preproga, saj jim ponuja številne priložnosti, kakršnih doslej pri oblikovanju običajnih avtomobilov niso imeli.
It's a very futuristic looking car, but it's not too much. It's not a screaming design. We have very simple lines and very clean surfaces in the car. It's very spacious. It's a segment above in terms of space, even though the car is still relatively compact compared to our competition. This is thanks to our new CMF EV Alliance platform. The development was led by Nissan in Japan. The interior is following the same design language. It's very simple, yet it's very refined. It's a lot like a traditional Japanese house, if you want. Everything is functional, clean, simple, and it's also full of technology. In terms of controls, we did not go fully digital. So instead, we offer haptic touch buttons with the feedback that are seamlessly integrated into the panels. We chose the horizontal layout of the displays, the two 12.3-inch, so it can be just in front of you. All the key information is in front of the driver, easy to access, and you can personalize the displays. We also have a head-up display, which can project the key information to the windshield, so you don't get distracted when driving the car.
Ariyo smo na kratko preizkusili na zaprtem dirkališču v okolici Madrida, a vseeno lahko že zdaj ugotovimo, da se bodo v njej vozniki in sopotniki dobro počutili. Ne le oblika, navdušijo tudi materiali in pa nekatere tehnološke rešitve. Ob različnih močeh od 162 do 290 kW ter zadnjem ali štirikolesnem pogonu bo mogoče izbrati dve velikosti baterij, 63 ali 87 kWh. Doseg pa naj bi bil do 500 km. So pa zdaj pri Nissanu veliko bolj prepričani v pravilnost poteze kot pred 12 leti. No vse zadnje, ariya na cestah ne bo sama.
Indeed, I mean, what you see coming is super exciting. But coming back to the 10 years back, because I think it's very important to where we are today. We put an EV as first EV on the market, where there was no EV market. So more than 500,000 cars, EVs sold, more than a decade of experience and customer feedback. That is a very rich knowledge that we have now put into all our model lineup that is now coming. And this year you see the full electrified lineup that we are going to bring to the market in Europe, starting with this beautiful ariya, fully electric, a combination of our crossover and EV technology. We will have the Townstar, fully electric, coming to the market, the Qashqai e-Power, very unique Nissan technology that gives you this EV-like feeling. We have the Duke HAF technology coming in, and obviously also the X-Trail e-Power. Equally exciting what is coming, and that is all to be seen in the journey, on our journey towards basically full electric in the future. We will be going 2030, all model lineup being fully electric, with more models to come. But these 5 models will kickstart a new era for Nissan, showcasing the exciting technologies we're bringing to the market that is electrified, that gives the unique experience to consumers. Once they're in the car, they will never go back to any other car. So we are very confident on that future.
Hkrati z ariyo so pri Nissanu predstavili še prenovljene elektrificirane pogone za Duka in Qashqaja, neuradno pa smo že lahko videli tudi novi X-Trail, ki preseneča z zares všečno obliko. Posledično lahko sklepamo, da Nissanova prihodnost ne bo le električna, temveč tudi oblikovno zanimiva.